Hey guys, this is Japan Master channel. I'm Yukiesho. Today I'm going to talk about the vending machine. The vending machine is everywhere in Japan, as if every 10 meters I can find. There's a food vending machine. You get a ramen or any kind of noodle, like hot noodle or like vegetable and stuff. But mostly the vending machine, the drink. There's a cold drink and also the hot drink. You can choose. In year 2018, number of drink vending machine over 2.4 million are set in Japan. This is the second highest number of the drink vending machine. The number one is the US. I believe because of the number of population and the size of land. Then why so much vending machines is set in Japan? Because no one will dare to break the machine and get money. Like in the poor country, if you set a vending machine, I watch the TV and every time someone will break and collect the money from the machine. So in Japan, compared to the other country, the Japan is very safe. Even if you drop your wallet, most of the time you get it back from the police office. So the Japan is one of the safest country, and that's why I believe the vending machines are everywhere. And recently, there's a subscription service has started, and you get one drink every day. And I know that there's a two company does this service. In December 2019, the JR East Cross Station started this service. But the number of the users are limited, and the area of the subscription vending machines is also limited. It's only located in the JR stations of the Tokyo area, and for this plan, you pay the 3,000 yen. In US dollar is around $27. Then in Japan, if you buy the drink from the vending machine, it costs 120 yen. So it's around $1. So every month it's usually 30 days. So totally I believe you get a $3 back, because monthly cost supposed to be $30, but you pay only $27 for this service. And the other company also started this business. The name of company is Coca Cola Japan. They started this service in April of 2021, this year, and this service is not limited users compared with the previous one, and also the area is not limited compared to the previous one. So all over the area, wherever the this subscription vending machine set, you can get it. It costs only the 2,700 yen for every month, and so for the US dollar it costs 24 US dollar. That means you get $6 US back. So I believe that this Coca Cola one is a much better plan than the previous service. But only this vending machine sells the Coca Cola product drinks. I'm not a guy who buy a drink often, so I won't be using it. But those who buy drink every day, I believe that for them it is very useful and convenient for this service. And this high technology vending machine also work with smartphone credit. In Japan, it has progress with this technology, and most people uses this smartphone credit cards. You if you have the smartphone, then you clicking on the screen or touch the vending machine with your smartphone, then you get the drink. Even you don't have any cash, you can buy it. I tried this one before, and I thought very useful. 10 years ago, have you ever thought about that the technology progress this far? Yes, times fly. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please press like, and if you want to know more about Japan, please press subscribe button, and also leave some comment. I will talk to you soon. Bye.